Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in this video, I'm going to show you and also tell you how you can update the Twitter app or the X app on your iPhone. Please friends, subscribe to the channel. Be sure to comment and don't forget to put your likes under this video. And let's get to our topic for today. And I'm going to show you the process here from the very beginning. And first of all, in order to update the X application, you will need to open the application that is on absolutely any iPhone. It's called App Store, which is the App Store. Then you'll need to go to the search section on the bottom right-hand side. And at the top, type in the letter X and search. That way, friends, you will go to the X app. Next, click on it and click on the word Update. As you can see, immediately the process of updating the app starts. How long this process will take depends on different situation. That is, if you have this application takes up a lot of memory. If you have a lot of information on it, it will take a lot longer to update than it did for me, let's say. It also depends on how well the internet works on your phone. Once the update of this app is over, you can easily open it either from the App Store app, like I did, and continue to use X. Or you can close the App Store and find the already updated X app on your iPhone's work screen. Friends, this is how you can quickly and easily update Twitter or X app on your iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful and useful, friends. Please put your likes, write comments, be sure to subscribe to our channel, and see you soon.